Hi guys, welcome back to another vlog. It's Mama of French Girls. Guys, your first time stopping here, you're highly welcome. I see the love, the massive love. So guys, thank you all for coming, for supporting my channel. So today is actually Wednesday, so if you are hearing any noise in the background, forgive me. Forgive me. It's the kids at home. On a Wednesdays, they're at home as usual, and I'm not far from a farming place, so you are going to be hearing the chickens. So this is why I'm putting this vlog. Actually, I've just taken my bath, so I ordered a microphone because of this noise. I ordered a microphone, a lavalier microphone, a portable one, I think. And I think that they has delivered it because I saw the postman delivering in the mailbox. So I'm going downstairs to get it. So this vlog is actually gonna be an unbox with me vlog. So I'm gonna go get this microphone in the box, in the mailbox. So you know the kids will follow me. So let's go there, guys.
Know who you is, 'cause every man have them life to live. And no matter when nobody wants them, me still a go be me, this young dirty maga piece of prick.
So guys, I'm back from the mailbox and it is here. So let's unbox this together. In the meantime, wait, let me turn on this fan because it's very hot. Oh, and I got all the things inside this mailbox. This is promotions, so this is how we get our promotion papers. I'll show you guys soon. So let's unbox this together. I ordered this last week and today is Wednesday. I think it's last week Monday. Today is Wednesday, so it took a week and plus. Yay! So guys, this is it. This is what I got. So let me open it. I'll have to use it to see if it's worth the price. It's a wireless lavalier microphone. I actually got this microphone at €8.30 plus the delivery was €1.20, so in all it made me €9 and something cents. This is why I like to order on Aliexpress, because Aliexpress doesn't have a delivery like Shein. If I was to order this on Shein, when to deliver, I would have to pay, I think, €28 to deliver, and they wouldn't drop it in my mailbox. They would have knocked on my door to deliver it to me. But I ordered this on Aliexpress and it was only €1. The shipping, I think, was only €1 and something cents. So it's not my first time ordering on Aliexpress, so you can give Aliexpress a try. It's very nice. I have been ordering on Aliexpress and I like everything that I've been ordering on it, but I have never ordered, I think the only wireless thing that I ordered on Aliexpress, sometimes back I ordered a power bank and it lasts me long. I ordered a power bank, so I'll be going back on Aliexpress to see if I get a power bank for me because I really do need a power bank. And the power bank that I actually ordered the last time, it was it had a touchlight with it. It came with a touchlight and it was very worthy. So I ordered this, and it's a type C. It has two normally. So let me see what it actually looks like. Let's see, guys. Really, let's go back a bit. I really wanted the microphone because I read the reviews of it, and they said that it actually reduces the background noise. So let's see if it's worth it. The box is empty, so this is how it is. This is the book. Oh, this is it. Oh, my now there's a problem right now there because I ordered this thing in black. Tell me, why will I be getting it in white? Why? This is the two little things that you place on the microphone. This is the cable to charge it. Oh, I wanted this in. This is it. Wow, I wanted this in black. So why did I get it in this color? But anyways, this is it. I think this is the one that you push inside the phone, and then this is the two that you use. So I'll try it out. Let me see the book if it has been charged. This tells you actually how to use it. I think, okay, it wrote windproof net. So I hope this erases the noise in the background. So I'm gonna read this to understand it, and hopefully this thing is charged. So I'll charge it and I'll get back to you guys. So I'll see you guys soon. So guys, I have connected the receiver to the phone, and I switch the button on, and this is it. So I'm gonna tap it right. I'm gonna tap it right here on my clothes. Let's see if this works proper. So guys, this is it. My only problem with it is that I got it in white, and I actually wanted it in black. So from now on, I will be using this microphone. When I'm editing this video, I'll see if the sound is different, like if the background sound is different from this. So I actually removed the white thing from the head, and I placed this little furry thing there. So I'm happy that I got these, guys. So in the meantime, this is the promotions that we are getting. Whenever there is promotion someplace in any store or supermarket, we get the promotion paper. Like, I'm even thinking of getting myself an iPhone. See, the iPhone 13 is at 429 euros, and you can pay it in 4 times at 109 euro. Can you see this right there? So I don't know. In fact, I've already passed 3 iPhones, and I sold all 3 because of this YouTube. iPhone doesn't have enough space to install, and you have to get yourself deleting what you do not want, and I don't have time for all this trouble. This is why I went for my A54. So guys, if you have actually ordered one of these from AliExpress and you have used it, it has served you for a very long time, please comment down below. Tell me, what do you think about this? How long did it serve you? It's written highly sensitive, 20 meters of excessive reception. Okay, plug and play, clear time, widely compatible, precise radio. Don't know why I got this in white, because they had it in black, pink, white, rose red. I chose the black and I got it in white. But anyway, this is not big problem. I'll just use it so as it is. If it serves me well and it lasts for long, I might go for another one in black. But then, guys, tell me, what do you think about this? Now, thank you all so much for watching my videos. I see the massive love that I'm getting, guys. Thank you, thank you, thank you so much. Please continue supporting this your baby girl. We need it. We need it, guys. Thank you all for the love, the support, and keep watching my videos. Please do not skip my ads. Do not skip my ads. I'm begging you guys, do not skip my ads. Oh, so thank you all so much for the support, the love. I'm watching if this thing is still connected. Yeah, and I'll be seeing you all in another one. So bye.